So we're asking Rebekah Bradway from the McCurdy Group, we're asking her all kinds of great homeowners insurance questions. What happens if I change mortgage companies or I refinance? Do I have to redo my policy?
You don't have to start a new policy or rewrite the policy. But oftentimes what happens is, especially if you're going to be refinancing or taking out an equity line, the lender is going to want proof of insurance.
Sure.
They're going to want to know what you have for coverage, what your deductible is, and they're going to want to make sure that they are going to be listed on the policy as mortgagee.
Gotcha.
They have an insurable interest in your home. They've lent you money. You've used the home as collateral. So they want to make sure that they appear on the policy due to their ownership interest.
Gotcha.
Most often what will happen is before any refinance or issuing of a mortgage goes through, the lender is going to request a binder. It's a very simple process for us to produce a binder for an existing policy. So if you already have your home and you're refinancing, you have your policy in effect, really you just need to call us up, say I'm refinancing, here is the new lender's information, their name and address, how they want to be listed on the policy, and then we print off a standard insurance form, a binder, and we send that to the mortgage company so that they know their interest in the property is protected, it's insured.
Sounds pretty simple.
Yes, and specifically if you, say your current mortgage gets bought out by another company. So you're not refinancing, but your lender has sold your mortgage to someone else.
Yeah.
If your mortgage company pays your annual premium and a new company has bought out your mortgage, you should let us know that, because until we update the mortgage on the policy, your old lender is going to get your bills. And they're not going to pay them.
They're not going to, they're going to be very excited about that.
No, not at all. So, what often happens is someone will change mortgage companies midterm or midway through their policy. Not a big deal. They never call us. They never update us. They don't find out that we haven't made that change until their policy is renewing. And they find out because they get contacted by their new lender saying, we never got a copy of your renewal.
Wow.
Yes.
Is there a fine for something like that?
There's not a fine, but if the mortgage company is the one that's paying the bill, they're not going to get the bill. So they're not going to pay for that insurance, and you could go into pending cancellation notice.
Yikes.
They do have time to make the payment, and they will waive any additional fees as long as it is received. But it can be a not so good experience to get a notice in the mail saying your policy is going to be canceled.
Yikes.
All because the mortgage company is supposed to pay it, but the mortgage company hasn't gotten it.
Now you're mad at the mortgage company.
You're frustrated with your insurance carrier.
Gotcha.
All sorts of negative things that can happen because you didn't call us and say, my mortgage was bought out, please update my policy information.
Gotcha. So anytime there's some changes, it's just best to drop a little courtesy call and say, hey, we're buying a new house, we're refinancing.
Yes.
It's really the best thing to do, so everything stays covered and nobody...
Yeah, anytime there's changes in occupancy, changes in ownership, and changes in the mortgage company, give your insurance agent a call, and we can assist you with making the necessary changes to your policy to make sure you're protected correctly.
Sounds great. Sounds easy enough. Listen, you guys, thanks for watching these videos. We have Rebekah Bradway from the McCurdy Group, and she's got a lot of great information, and we hope you guys enjoy these. We hope you guys get a lot out of it. Rebekah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we'll talk to you later, guys.
Bye.